Alright, do you want to turn on two-factor authentication in your Snapchat ID and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you are on the right place. In this video, you're gonna learning about how to turn on two-factor authentication in your Snapchat ID, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what you're waiting for, just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And first of all, let's simply open up your Snapchat app. After that, just here you can see your profile picture or avatar in the top left corner. Just simply tap on it like that. Once you tap on it, you will come to your profile section. In your profile section, here you can see that gear in the top right corner. Just tap at the gear to open up your account settings. In your account settings, just scroll a little bit and you will find the option of two-factor authentication. Let me show it to you clearly. This one option, just simply tap on it like that and then tap at continue. And then here text verification or authentication app. If you tap at text verification here, this is a code will be sent to your phone number. If you tap at authentication app, you will have to download Google Authenticator app, then you will have to connect it with that. Just simply for to turn on text verification, tap at text verification and then tap. If you tap at verify, they will send you phone a notification onto your phone number and they will send you a code. You will have to give that code over there and then you will be able to turn on text verification. If you tap at authentication app, and then you will have to select an option, just tap at setup manually and set up automatically or find the app. So if you want me to make a video on separately how to turn on these three type of authentication, so let me know in the comment section below. And that's an overview about two-factor authentication. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video and end screen. Goodbye till the next video.